and welcome back. Today we are in Mountville, Pennsylvania. We are at RV. We're going to be looking at this Jayco Eagle. This is the 30.5 RSOK. Let's take a look. We want to thank Pete's RV here in Mountville, Pennsylvania for having us. And if you like one of the RVs we show here, please give these guys a call and make sure you tell them the tall man sent you. All right, so we love to start up front. You got a decent storage area here. There's some power and connection for satellite TV right here. Next to that is your 30-pound propane tank. There are two of them, one on this side, one on the other. This is a 4-point electric auto level system, so you can see the jack there. Looking up, there is an awning that starts at the front of the RV and goes all the way to the door. Speaking of door, you have a nice step, it's extended handle. You have upgraded tires on this, the Goodyear Endurance tires, as well as the CRE 3000. This unit has a nice outdoor kitchen with a mini fridge, a little drawer here. You'd put your grill up top there, power, some cabinetry, and I love that. Moving around to the back, there's also this thing called the J-port. There's a little tray that goes in, so if you want to do a grill, you can put your grill out there. In fact, I would rather the grill here than be in there, to be honest with you, so that's where the grill would go. Coming around here, you have a ladder that's mounted full-time. You do have a pre-wiring for a Furrion backup camera, and a utility hitch is already built in, so you can put a little tray on the back if you want to carry some different things, or even a tow something if it's okay to do that in the state that you live in. Coming around to the side, all the rest of the connections for this RV are right here in this area. Your sewer connection is right here. Just above that, you have your power right here. And then your water connection and sewer pull valves are right here. This is also the other side of that full pass-through storage. And your controller for the electric auto level system is right here as well. And that second 30-pound propane tank is right here. So let's take a look at the numbers, Lisa. This has a gross vehicle weight of 11,750 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 1,887 pounds. Moving around to the front, here is your utility cabinet. This is where you would mount your generator if you wanted to put your generator. It's also where your batteries go. And so if you're not going to put a generator in there, you can have some extra storage. Backing up a little further, your pin box is a Kurt turning point pin box. So that's the outside. Let's go take a look at the inside. So this is a very familiar floor plan, except it's reverse, right? Normally, the chair is over here, and your entertainment center is over here. I think they've done this so that you have better views out this side of the RV. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you like the reverse feel of this floor plan? Leave it in the comments below. Anyway, as you come in, here is your living room. You have your theater chairs here, which are all manual, meaning you just pull the little button right here, a little lever, and boom, you're reclining. Over there is a sofa, which can berth to be a bed. You got a couple end table / nightstand with power and USB. There's also some cabinetry above as well for storing things. Across from the theater chair, have your TV, some storage above. TV is on a swivel if you want to pull it out and angle it one way or the other. And you have a nice Furrion fireplace, at least for Lisa, for warming her freakishly tiny cold feet.
Hey, you got it right.
I did. What did you know? And a JBL sound. We do have a regular residential style type dinette with a table, 4 chairs. The other 2 chairs, I'm sure, are up underneath the bed right now. And a leaf does pop out so you can see 4 there comfortably. Of course, a nice light above that. And again, speaking of light, there's lots of windows here, so it feels very, very airy and light in here, if that makes any sense, right? So a lot of natural light.
It does, yeah.
And then we have the kitchen.
Yeah, so we have this nice large island, extended island, looks like 50-50 sink with a tile faucet. Underneath the sink, we have plenty of storage. There's also a shelf there. Can you see that? On this side, we have another shelf. It's very shallow space there. But you can put, cleaning supplies or whatever there. On this side, we have our stove. We've got some countertop space here. We've got a 3-burner stove. We've got an oven. There's storage underneath as well as drawers next to. These are all about the same depth.
Yep, that's good.
Yep. Now, above that, we've got our microwave. And backtracking a little bit, we do have some storage here. Then we have our pantry. Yeah.
All right.
Well,
Make two pantries.
Yeah, I'm getting there. We have our Furrion 12-volt refrigerator freezer.
Which is a lot bigger than you think.
It is. It holds a lot of stuff. And more pantry.
Yeah, so maybe if you're like a chef and love lots of spices.
Maybe.
That's a very large spice cabinet.
You know.
That's pretty solid.
It is.
Yeah. And so are these. Oh yeah, solid.
Yeah.
So there's nothing going to be smiling at you there.
No, but then look. We have more storage.
Now this, move this down to here for now, guys. This goes up, so you can convert this to be like a hanging closet for all your jackets and things.
Yeah, backpacks, whatever.
So a place to maybe throw your shoes down. It's there.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And there's some more storage up top there. Yeah, nice. All right, that's down here. Let's go upstairs and find out what's up here. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
So if this is your first time finding one of our videos, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around. Also, do us a huge favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it really does help out Lisa and myself. And if you haven't figured out yet,
Lots of help.
Anyway, thank you so much. We really do sincerely appreciate it. Okay, I am sitting on a porcelain foot flush toilet, and there was another model that we looked at earlier, the 27RS, and the toilet happened to be facing this way. This one is exactly how I would have liked that other one to be facing. This is perfect. As you can see, my feet have plenty of room at my height. My shoulder width is great, so this is definitely good for the tall or fluffy. Directly across from me is your sink and vanity. It is under countermount, nice faucet, a little bit of a tile backsplash. You do have some nice storage underneath the vanity there. And there is a medicine cabinet up here where you can put all of them drugs, medicines. So I talked about height. So here, Lisa, let's look this way. Okay. I can't actually stand up completely straight. I'm probably about half an inch to like really standing up straight in my head. And of course, as you can see, it's tight. So at my height of 6'4", I have to duck everywhere up here in the upstairs part. Is a cabinet here. We're going to go, there's a connecting door into the master. If it's anything like the 27RL, we'll find out in a minute. So I don't think I'd be keeping lens there. I think that would be the place that we'd have to put our towels. Let's get into the shower. You'll understand when we get into that. All right, so there is a skylight above me. You could be every bit of 6'7" standing here. It is very comfortable because of that bubble skylight. A couple shelves in the front, couple shelves in the back, glass doors. I'd rather see the retractable door. We did a whole video on the retractable door. I'd just rather see that than the glass. That's just me. You can check out that video if you want. It's on our channel. Maybe I'll link it up there for you to see. All right, the master. Now, this looks to be...
That looks really big.
It does look really big. So interestingly enough, okay, so let's get, I'm going to make a mess here, guys. So they have put an RV King mattress in here. The platform underneath, to me, is made for a queen, but they have extended this and made this, 72 by 80. What I mean is the wood platform down here, as you can see, is just meant, it's only 60, right? So there's 6 inches of mattress hanging over each side. I don't know. Is that a big thing? Guys, if that's a big thing, leave it in the comment. I don't know. It'd be okay to let it hang over because there's no support here. So, but I don't think it's a big deal. I think it's okay. So
Try sitting on it.
all right, I'll try sitting on it. Well, it's a little soft right there, but, I would be sitting back. Right?
True. That's true.
All right, either way, you have some nightstands, which are a little bit smaller because of the bigger mattress, with power and USB. There's some cubbies underneath as well, so you can store some things underneath there. Up above, there is some cabinetry. I'll take it over here, Lisa, so we can see from over here. So there you go. So now that's just shelves. Now, the 27RL that we looked at did not have this. So this is a nice little wardrobe area.
It is.
Which gives you some hanging space, which is awesome, and a couple more drawers.
Very nice.
Now, the reason why I point that out is this cabinet here, which was the one we were talking about from the bathroom, is pre-plumbed and pre-wired for a washer-dryer combo. And as you can see, there's a hanging bar. Now, on the 27RL, this was the only place for you to hang your clothes. And this model, they figured it out and added a slide with another place for you to put your clothes.
Love it.
I do. I like that.
Yeah.
Slightly bigger model. It's about 1,000 pounds heavier than the 27RL. A little bit longer, but I think it's a much more comfortable feel.
Yeah.
If you all saw our video on the 27RL, let us know what you think of the difference between the two. All right? Until we see you again somewhere on the road, be safe.